How to buy Kindle books from Amazon. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily buy the Kindle books from your Amazon. So first thing, head over to any of your browser, and inside of your browser click on amazon.com. You're in your official Amazon website, simply click on this hamburger icon at the left section, and as you can see there is a Kindle e-readers and books section. Simply click on it, and what I want you to do is simply click on Kindle store and head over to your Kindle books section. So once you're inside here, just click on any of the book that you like, and as you can see, when you move all the way below, you can also see the reviews of that particular book from different people all over the world. You can see here, and once you're satisfied, come over here. You can also try it for 30 days as a free trial, but if you want to buy it, you can simply buy it from here like this by clicking buy now button, and make sure you are in your eligible country, as I'm not in my eligible country to buy this icon. And that's exactly how you can buy after entering your card details and other login credentials. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.